Make money online by reading emails. Discover how to effortlessly boost your income by reading emails with earnings ranging from $3 to $100 in a single day. Curious? Dive into this exciting opportunity with us. Welcome to Profitability Plus, your go-to source for the latest and most rewarding online money-making methods. Today, we're delving into a game-changing approach that lets anyone earn cold, hard cash just by checking their emails. No special skills or prior experience needed, just your internet connection and a computer or mobile device. If you're ready to explore the world of email-based earnings, keep watching. But first, support us by hitting the like button and subscribing with notifications on. Let's get started! Step number 1. Sign up for a free account. To embark on this lucrative email reading journey, the initial requirement is a PayPal account. But fret not if you don't have one in your financial toolkit just yet. Setting it up is a walk in the park. A quick visit to paypal.com where you can register for a free personal account is all it takes. And what about the email address, you ask? Well, chances are you already have one of those. But if not, no worries. Creating a free Yahoo Mail or Gmail account is a breeze. Step 2. Visit paidtoreademail.com. Now, let's move on to the hub of this money-making operation, paidtoreademail.com. The process of creating your account here is straightforward and won't burn a hole in your wallet. It's completely free. In fact, as a delightful bonus, you'll receive a generous $3 sign-up reward that kickstarts your journey on the right foot. Step 3. Start reading and earning. Once you're comfortably settled in and logged into your account, your inbox will soon be graced by paid emails. These emails aren't just casual correspondence, they're your golden tickets to making money online. A simple click on the link provided in the email is all it takes to set the wheels in motion. You'll be whisked away to various websites where you only need to spend a minimum of 30 seconds. During this time, be sure to interact with the site by scrolling or clicking around. It's as easy as it sounds. Your earnings will be swiftly credited to your account. Now, it's crucial to keep a few key features in mind. One of the standout features here is the lightning-fast payment processing. Your hard-earned money will be in your hands within a mere 24 hours. Another feature that makes this platform user-friendly is the low payout threshold, which is set at just $15. This means you won't have to jump through hoops to cash out your earnings. And the best part? Joining this platform is completely free. And as a little welcome gift, you'll receive a $3 sign-up bonus. The flexibility of this platform is also worth highlighting. You can access your account from anywhere in the world, making it a versatile way to make money online. But there's more in store. Beyond paid emails, there are additional avenues to boost your income through this platform. Cash surveys. Unlock a world of opportunity by participating in cash surveys. You can earn anywhere from $0.40 to $1.20, and there are 4 main survey categories: your surveys, opinion surveys, Dynata surveys, and survey time. Engaging with these surveys is a straightforward and effective way to enhance your earnings. Cash offers. If you're on the lookout for even more survey options, make sure to explore the cash offers section. Here, you can earn between $0.40 and $0.60 per survey, providing an extra stream of income to take advantage of. Earn points. In the Earn Points section, you'll discover the Peanut Lab survey option. These surveys offer instant rewards with payouts ranging from $0.50 to $1.20 per survey. But here's an extra tip to supercharge your earnings. Dedicate some time each day to complete all the limited surveys in the Survey Time and Dynata surveys categories. This daily routine can yield a reliable $5.40, which in turn unlocks access to higher-paying unlimited surveys, offering a generous $1 to $2 or even up to $5 per survey. Your earning potential knows no bounds. Introducing ClicksGenie, another website that operates on a concept similar to paid-to-read email. Just like its counterpart, ClicksGenie is a platform that allows you to earn money by engaging with online content, but with a unique twist. Let's delve into how ClicksGenie works and what sets it apart from the rest. ClicksGenie is a paid-to-read or PTR service that pays users to read emails. While it's an easy way to get started, requiring no specific skills or prior experience, the earnings are relatively low. ClicksGenie serves as an intermediary between advertisers and readers who click on links within emails and receive a portion of the advertising revenue. The platform also offers a referral system where users can earn additional income by referring others. However, the earnings from referrals are modest, and substantial income would require a significant number of referrals. To get started with ClicksGenie, number 1. Register on the website, providing your username and Gmail email address. Activate your account via an email link and verify it by entering the provided code. Create an account with one of the supported payout companies, as PayPal is not an option. And lastly, wait for emails. Read them in full for a specified time, and click the links. While ClicksGenie is easy to start and offers flexibility to work from anywhere, it provides straightforward, mindless tasks that may not appeal to everyone. Here are others if you want to find more. MyPoints. MyPoints is another GPT or Get Paid To site that rewards you for reading emails, among other tasks like watching ads, online shopping, and taking surveys. You can cash out your earnings to your PayPal account or opt for a Visa card or gift cards from retailers like Amazon and Walmart. What's really cool is that you can redeem gift cards starting from just $5. The icing on the cake is that as a welcome gift, MyPoints offers you a $10 Amazon or Visa gift card just for signing up. Quick Rewards. Quick Rewards is a legitimate site that pays you for reading emails, along with other activities such as playing games, completing offers, taking surveys, and online shopping. The best part about Quick Rewards is that you can withdraw your earnings with as little as 1 cent in your account. No more waiting around. Your earnings are sent straight to your PayPal account. CashCrate. When it comes to GPT sites, CashCrate stands out with its long-standing reputation and high rewards. It's a contender for the title of the most famous GPT site, right up there with Swagbucks. CashCrate pays you with a monthly check, which is automatically sent during the disbursement period if you have at least $10 in your reward account. No need to jump through hoops to get your money with CashCrate. We've laid out the simple steps to make money online by reading emails. It's a fantastic way to increase your income without requiring any skills or prior experience. Remember, once you reach the $15 withdrawal threshold, you can easily cash out your earnings through PayPal. If you're feeling ambitious, explore their referral program where you can earn 15% of your referral's earnings, creating a passive income stream. Share this opportunity with your friends and family, and you'll reap the rewards. That concludes today's video. If you're eager to explore even more money-making strategies, simply click the video on your screen. Thanks for tuning in to Profitability Plus, where we unveil the best ways to boost your income.